Alright, YouTube, 116 Falconer. Today we're going to try to fix this little bookshelf speaker with the BONDIC liquid plastic welder. Alright. These speakers are like ancient. They're little bookshelf speakers. Had them forever. This one here stopped working. So after I took it apart several years ago, luckily I have a bad habit of not throwing anything out. I found that it was broken. I don't know if we can see it here. Let's see. Right. Okay. Right. Where the fuck are we? Right here. This lead is broke off the speaker. Okay, off the cone itself. So I'm gonna get that. I think there's a spider in there. I'm gonna get that set on the solder that's in there, and I'm gonna try the BONDIC to see if that will make this speaker function again. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it if it gets working, but you know, at least it'll be fixed. So let's take a look here. I suppose on a larger speaker it'd be easier. You know, this is a little bitty puny one, but I'll get my my plastic crap out and my welding torch. Alright, so I gotta get a pair of tweezers to try to get that lead back into the solder area. I'm having a hard time seeing. It's kind of dark in here. Well, the light's just at all the wrong angles. But I think you can see here, I've got it sitting on the solder. Now let me see if I can get this I don't know if I'll be able to reach down in there. I don't know if that tip's long enough. Oh yeah, just long enough. I know you can't see what I'm doing. I can't even see what the hell I'm doing. Alright, I think I have some on there. Need a little better light. Let's see if my flashlight can see in there. Alright, so I got some on there. So now let me see if this light can make it down in there. Or the torch. Yeah, I'm a little bit away from the surface, but alright. Well, let's see if it held. Come on, focus, camera. Well, it seems to be on there. You can see it's moving the cone. So let me go find an amplifier or something so I can plug this speaker in and see if it's going to start functioning again. I'll be right back. Okay, so I found a subwoofer amp unit, whatever, that that I've had forever, which itself needs to be fixed because one of the speaker channels don't work. But you can see here I got this speaker hooked up, you know, through the back, plugged in, and it's actually working. Let's get down there and take a look.
Firewires filled with news and information and up to the moment analysis.
I don't know where the damn microphone is in this camera.
Exclusive content on faith, technology.
So anyways, it seems to be
Absolutely free. Sign up for Firewire today at theblaze.com/newsletter.
alright, so it appears to work.
3 generations all lived in the same house.
Let me get it back in the thing and see what happens.
But there is a place.
The best-selling book, Cancer.
Alright, YouTube, so I've had this running for about an hour.
Between the helper and the suppressor cells of the immune system.
It's still working. I can't believe I was able to find all my screws. The little screws for the speaker there, screws for the back here. The only screws I can't find are the long ones for in here. But if I can't find them, I'm just going to BONDIC weld this to this. I even found the grate for it. So I'll get that back together, but
a single normal cell. Would you
that's it.
engaging in that kind of activity?
It seems to work
your loved ones?
This is Richard Ostro, owner
just
of
perfectly.
Carnivore
So,
Research
all right,
International.
BONDIC welder.
Call 1-866 Venus
See ya.
Line 1-866